Better than my no icon.
Yeah, replay, that's nice.
But that's a really small idea.
Oh my God, John. That was freaking sweet.
No! All right. We get it. Ah! Jesus Christ!
He's doing round down to his knees.
Come on, I can do better.
I can't even play a prank.
I'll rally. Yeah!
I'm still crying.
Yeah, I know. Come on, let's play while you're
Literally, I went like that.
All right, come on, it's 4-2. It's a tight one. That's it.
Oh man.
Come on, take your best shot.
Wait, my hand's so wet, so it's not working.
Never mind that. Look, see now how am I? Oh no! Ah!
Honey, don't break this word.
No, I wouldn't dream of it. No.
Oh my God.
Oh!
Oh, too easy.
No! Oh!
Yeah, I don't think we should get that far. It's too dangerous.
Oh!
Did you score yourself twice? Why are you really
I get to play it.
I mean, and look, he's a loser.
Oh God, where's the champagne?